Moesha, the bottles influencer. My people, I don't bring that matter straight from Ghana. And I just say, many of you never remember this lady. I come with her matter before where I tell you say she do plastic surgery. And she herself come outside, admit the fact, say she do plastic surgery. My people, another one don't come again. This one open mouth. You know that shame no catch am. In fact, they talk say she dey proud. She know they regret the fact say she do plastic surgery. She come out talk this one for public. As I dey talk to una now, my people, Ghana dey hot. Hotter than fire. Wait, wetin I no understand in the first place be say, how person go do bad thing? And still, shame no dey catch you say you do that bad thing. You know say they be two different things. One thing be say you do bad thing, no, but that period you don't know, you just do and based on say okay, people they tell you, they hear say they trend. But this one come outside, no shame. Shame no even dey body, they talk and hold her, say I don't regret doing this. See you now, I better put a picture, maybe they see what they talk about. No, wetin this one they teach you now. My role model, my this one, my mama. Wetin una dey learn from this one na my question. I just dey pity all of una. I wonder wetin this one they teach una. Fans. Our fans. Football. I don't know whether una be football fans. I be una be celebrity fans. I be slay queen fans. So now be say if they teach una now, how to do surgery. Knowing fully well, say this thing get side effects. I beg, I get one question. Because me una no vex, you understand? Which work Moesha they do? No, I no come offend anybody. That question I ask. I no keep person. Which work Moesha they do? Okay, people they thought say she be celebrity, oh. Some people they thought say slay queen. Some I beg me, I know they look for this all this title one at the mention. I want hear the job. Very important because this surgery one at the year, I be una they see. Not be two Ghana series, oh. We they talk about thousands. Hey. And una go tell me say person like this now no get the corner where she dey go for money runs. Tomorrow now she go come outside open mouth. I work for my money. I am very hardworking. I am well done, oh, hard worker. I greet you, I salute you. So people now where they look up to you, where they no get money, because now wetin they teach them. So now these ones wetin you want me they do? How they go do their own surgery? Meaning say they go around, go sleep again with person. Hi. See pressure. While are they for people where they follow vanity upon vanity? Are they pity you now? All of you now wey no say na your mama, your madam, your mama at the top. Are they pity all of you now? Una role model. Make una continue. You are close to her, but you don't know. In fact, hair fire, they don't already open gates. Open gates. They go open gate. For the surgery people. My people, be contented with what you have. No, are they serious? Now, why? If I dey see slim girls, where if they waka, it pass. Like they not even send you. The way they feed them, you don't understand. It's not easy to be slim and be in this generation because now all the people wear fat for front, fat for back, they don't intimidate them. But they see, you don't understand. The English self, no, they come out. It brings something out of me. If you are slim and you are proud of it, in fact, send me your account number, I go dash you money. Very important. Because the generation where they live now, hey, I better pass my neighbor. Face me, I slap you. This one, everybody want to become better than the other person. Competition. And the funny thing now, the competition not be for positive things. Oh. I get more gniansh. You get more breast. I get bone straight. You get synthetic. Now useless competition now they do. You don't go see one important thing where if you see and say, you go say, wow, this is educative. This thing can bring me money. From allergy, all of una, no, make una continue to the follow. When una eye here, then una go know say I talk her before. Continue. My people, I say I go bring this one now because I see say this our people. No, I know that some make una see me. I'm not fine. I'm fine now. I don't need go they reduce. Please, it's not necessary. My bobo like me like that. Very I beg, I dey single na joke, I dey joke. You understand? Make una no block my chances. Very important. My people, I beg, start dey drop the comment for that comment section. Oh. I make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey shele for Ghana. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don't bring a matter from a camping polo versus Fela McCaffrey. No be smart, you know. This one they come from a camping polo. I don't know which mosquito bites this one as he wake up. Just come outside. They talk to Fela. According to that, they tell Fela say make Fela stop dey allow social media to make her go naked because medical attention, medical in husband. And she say she dey talk this thing no be because she hate am o, no be because of any bad thing. Say she dey see she dey see Fela as im younger sister. So they give her advice. Say make she change her lifestyle of dressing nude or semi-nude because say now she don't marry and she get a pikin, so she supposed to be conscious of that fact. So I beg, I don't bring a people look on her side though, so that I no go to say now me don't add sugar and salt inside this matter. So join me, make we listen to a people.
Fela dien, me obi amawo, me obi amawo, and senior assembly scene. Fela face na looking stressed.
Okay.
Or you cover because someone in makeups ni no man she but she was stressed. Medical mama crack kan one interview. She was stressed up. And in our day, we seem to be so special that if someone doesn't help us, we find it way to do it ourselves. We are kebi me we say go for video. Na my bet can so me Fela. Atali o shade wa worry na on worry impono. No kata on this say mama po mitimi kasi ya. Fela uko was not a wishes split and cover. Yeah. Wishes split and cover. Wakata on mama when you are area. And the pressure burn a woman who can move feet out per se. To tell you who can attention then. About also. It make a way and just send me hate Fela. Make us so much in the man and Yamban also say, Mrs. So when you see me, say me, you see no. Now, Mrs. Pay can, Mrs. Kitwakan. And no crap. Mention the year. As I go for the club, and the baby said, I may bro my worrying. Because Fela was not like that. Fela doesn't expose herself. And she wears things for us to still see her shape. Whatever she wears, you still see her shape. Okay. So
she said, I didn't know she no in your view.
Oh, to me now, dear mommy. And mommy.
Because we're worried.
Because we're worried.
No, sorrow.
And wow.
Hey, this showbiz. Different colors, different characters, different height and size. This showbiz life. Hypocrites, left, right, everywhere. People go just they come outside, they talk some kind things, they forget their own. Oh. Remember, say when you they point one finger, the rest they come your own direction. Don't forget. See who they come outside, they talk. No, see who they give advice. Hi! Chineke, this girl just make me remember. In fact, she just take me back. You, my sister, you have made me bring the past into the future. I've been into the present. Polo, you, the queen of nudity herself. This I bet put her. This one. If you look for new, I even dey surprised how come white people never call her make she can't act all those their movies, those kind of movies where they do. Because this one, in fact, she get 1000% for nude. Not try am. I won't see they find who I go give, like who go win this thing, because this one she don't be queen for how many years now. Me person hold my hand, oh. Make person hold my hand before I give this girl one thing like that. They come outside. I want to advise. I'm seeing you as a younger sister. You don't know the younger sister where your mama born, so that you go advise her. Even the one where your mama even born, that is if you have. I don't really know about yourself. But if I thought you get, that was say you don't even feel advice her. because she's even seeing your lifestyle. So which advice you won't give person? You even they talk about person medical. She's doing it for medical attention. Not be your husband. You no go look for your own so that you go marry. You go sit down. They look for people affairs. Sit down, create topic, start a talk. I mean, medical don't call you say, if you have people look, I know they like the way my wife they dress, so talk to her for me. Medical send you message. I be person give you work do. Just open mouth, they talk. No think of how you go get married and train your pikin. You just dey poke nose inside people's marital affairs. How many of you even remember? The Chineke. The picture where this mumu take with him pikin. All the name of birthday picture, birthday shoot, they stunt everywhere, they scatter social media. Abeg put the picture, make they see us. In fact, even before I talk, see am. Birthday shoot oh. Now he say they go do it in pikin. See mama where they carry pikin. No, because if I dey talk, I know they lie. I know what make tomorrow person come dey talk say I too overdo. No, na see am. See who they bring advice inside person where they married the day in husband house. Your own even worse, madam. Your own, in fact, is you are worse than the worstest. For you to even involve your pikin for this kind. No, which training you want give person, my sister? No, which training? Let's be sincere. Let's be frank here. If people they come outside, they talk about morals or lessons or home training or this one, I beg you supposed cover your face. You start waka comot, no even talk. Go and marry. Go and marry, my sister. Your mates are in their husband's house. Before you go do some kind of thing. No, this guy go just come outside. That's what the last time he come outside though. Nobody ask him. This guy just open my. And I can give my body to somebody now. Una know somebody now, Regina Daniel's former boyfriend. She said she fit give the guy for free. Say she no go even want any money. After that one, now so from one man to another man. Who be the last one? Bokum Banku. High end, I don't even know. See your life. But you they come outside, they give person advice. Just shut up. Shh, just shut up. No even talk again. And if you allow me come out again for your matter, you go see me. For this, you go so see me. Relax. My people, now so it happen. Just like that. Make una not to say I dey support nudity, but I beg this guy don't reach to how to man in business and focus on his life. Very, very important. You understand? So anything where you guys talk, drop am for that comment section. Share this video so that everybody go know. Especially Ghana. Share am make they know say na this thing dey happen. And if you never subscribe, how you go to get matters like this? Very, very important. Just click on that bell. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story.